my channel. This is Tushtita. So it's morning 10 a.m. and I'm having my breakfast. It's weekend, it's amazing day, amazing weather. सुबह से बहुत काम कर लिया. I cleaned the entire house because आज पूरा दिन घर पे नहीं रहने वाले हैं. So I felt good because एक अंदर खुजली होती है कि घर गंदा है and साफ़ करना बाकी है, तो I just cleaned it up. And now having my breakfast. I'm having green tea, toast and some leftovers. It's pressure cooked vegetables with less masala. I mean negligible masalas. कुछ मसाला है ही नहीं. इसलिए leftover है because my husband he needs some masala in his sabzis and I didn't prepare like that. So I'm having it right now. And yeah, coming to the point, like what this video is all about. It's about a staycation vlog. And like आपने देखा होगा in one of my previous video that हमने कुछ दिन पहले we went for a staycation. It was amazing staycation, I must say. I recommend it. You can just watch the video. Yeah, so it is also a staycation video and I'll vlog everything like from now till tomorrow. We're coming back tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited because I love to travel. I love to explore places. And this time it's not only me and my husband. उसके फ्रेंड्स भी है. तो कल उसके फ्रेंड का कोर्ट मैरिज हो गया. So because of that we are going there for celebration. So yeah, I hope it's gonna be amazing. I'm excited. So I'll have my breakfast now and see you guys after some time because I'm gonna go take shower and have to get ready and I'll take you guys along with me. So it's 11:30 and I'm just done with my shower. Now I'll just get ready. I'll pack some of my clothes and then we'll go to Kaushik's friend's house and from there we all will go together. So we're about to leave now and I'm wearing a casual t-shirt which is Kaushik's t-shirt and a jeans. So this is my look. Just a casual outfit for an hour-long road trip. So right now we have stopped here at the supermart to pick some groceries. So let's see what we can find out. काफ़ी कुछ ले लिया हम लोगों ने 2 दिन के लिए. And अभी next stop is to pick food for lunch and dinner because I don't think resort के पास कुछ मिलेगा pick करने के लिए. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So now we are here at Gachibowli to pick our food for lunch and dinner. So we are here at Paradise to pick biryani and also at Domino's to pick pizza. And I'm already hungry. It's 2 p.m. But I'm also excited for the staycation. So finally we reached the resort and it's so pretty. It's beautiful, but the road to this resort is really confusing. But somehow we managed to find a place and I love the place. I mean, it's really pretty. And this is our room. So this is our room and I'm really hungry now. So before I change, I just want to eat something. And we have pizza for lunch. And the best part of this room, let me show you. An open shower. Showering with the nature. I love this. I'm so hungry. Had pizza, felt good because बहुत भूख लग रही थी. And now we're just gonna chill. आधे लोग तो पानी के अंदर चले गए स्विमिंग पूल में. We're gonna just chill here, have drinks, have food and I'm excited because I love such kind of properties with so many things to explore. So right now we are here at the other side of the property. So let me just give you a tour. The place where we can do barbecue at night. We also have a jhula, and that is a bar counter. Let me just give you a close view. This is a bar counter. Probably this would be a dining area. So yeah, I just gave you a little tour of the property. So I wasn't sure if I'll go inside the pool. So I haven't got any swimwear for it, but probably Kaushik has some extra outfit, so I'll wear his outfit to go inside the pool. So now I'll just go and change my outfit. We'll go inside the pool and just chill there with the boys. I mean Kaushik's friends, and have some wine. So I changed my outfit for swimming pool, and I'm completely wearing Kaushik's t-shirt and shorts. If you can see, let me jump. So anyways, this is what I'm wearing to go inside the pool. And yeah, come follow me. Amazing weather, great time chilling at pool, sipping wine. What else we need? And you can see people are posing and chilling at pool also. Like, this is how I wanted my weekend to be. Chill, relaxed. So it's 7 p.m. and अभी barbecue के लिए सारा preparation हो चुका है. We have done the marination of the chicken for prawns, फिर पनीर. तो let me show you the kitchen जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने marinate किया था. So this is the way to the kitchen. And यहाँ पे सारे marination है, सारे marinated chicken, prawns, फिर पनीर सब यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने करके रखा है. And that's the place जहाँ पे हम लोग barbecue करेंगे. मज़ा बहुत आ रहा है बिकॉज बहुत सालों बाद वी आर इनसाइड अ पूल लाइक डूइंग बारबेक्यू एंड वाइन भी साथ में है एंड म्यूज़िक और बारिश भी हो रही है अभी फ़िलहाल. तो इट्स परफेक्ट, लाइक द परफेक्ट वीकेंड. तो यहाँ के जो ओनर है एंड केयर टेकर है, दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव बिकॉज उन्होंने सारा बारबेक्यू का सामान मतलब उसके लिए बहुत हेल्प किया है. एंड yeah, I really recommend this place to you guys. If you guys are seeking for a place just some few kilometers away from Hyderabad, I recommend this place totally. Like, it's great with friends, you'll enjoy it. So I just changed myself to something comfortable and abhi barish bhi ho gayi hai. It was a great weekend. What do you think?
It was amazing.
He loved it more than me because entire time he was inside the pool, entire time. And yeah, like abhi I just showed you कि बाहर barbecue हो रही है. तो I'll just go there and join them for the barbecue because भूख भी लग रही है. So good morning guys. So it is day 2 here at this property. Yesterday night I couldn't film much because it was crazy night. We had so much fun. I mean literally having fun at pool. We had amazing barbecue. Post that at around probably 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. We started playing Mafia. It was really great. We all enjoyed playing Mafia. People who didn't play Mafia before, they also enjoyed. So it was really fun. And then at around probably 2:30, yeah, we had biryani. So that's how we ended our night, by having biryani. And by then we were so tired, we just went to sleep. And now it's 8 a.m. and I already woke up. Probably I slept for only 4.5 hours or 5 hours. But I didn't feel like that I just slept for 4 hours. Right now I'm just here at the pool, playing with water, just getting vitamin D because everyone is sleeping. Nothing much to do. Um, just spending time with myself, and I'm loving this alone time. तो अभी मैं इस प्रॉपर्टी के किचन में हूँ. सो इस प्रॉपर्टी में ये भी एक फैसिलिटी है कि आप अपना खुद का खाना भी बना सकते हो. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm preparing for breakfast, which is Maggie and chicken. So yeah, that's gonna be our breakfast. So we just got ready to check out from this resort. It was a really great experience, especially taking shower in this open bathroom. This is what I'm wearing right now. So it's time to say bye to this resort. We had really great time here. So yeah. So we have stopped here on the way to have some chai. So yeah, that's all for today's video.